And now a virtual aerospace warfare symposium industry break sponsored by GE Aviation. Our next guest is Sean Warren, Vice President, Large Combat and Mobility Engines at GE Aviation, who joins us for this sponsored industry break. Sean, thanks for joining us.
Oh, thanks for having me today.
So you've had some exciting news earlier this month with the first flight of the new F15EX. It's powered by your GE F110 engines. Must have been quite an accomplishment for your team.
It was a very proud accomplishment for the entire GE team. Just having the opportunity to go watch the takeoff, and even better than watching it was listening some of the comments from Boeing's chief test pilot and talk about how much confidence he had in the product, and immediately go into max afterburner, go into the Viking takeoff, go straight to Mach 2.0, engine restarts in the air, and just really expressing his confidence that he had no concerns about the product. I think it was a great day for Boeing and GE. And it really reflects the investment we've made in the advanced F-15 program several years ago to get qualified on the advanced version of the program. You know, today we are the only engine tested, certified, and integrated into the platform there. You know, we celebrated over 10 million hours of service on the F-110. And while the F-110 has been out there for many years, we've made millions and millions of dollars of investment in the product, both from a performance standpoint and a durability standpoint there. So, I mean, we're just really extremely proud of the product and the way it's performed. You know, we've delivered on all of the production F-15s have all been powered by F-110 engines over the past 8 years.
And this F-110 is a little bit different. It's a more advanced version of the previous one. You've been adding to it and building it out.
Oh, absolutely, yes. I mean, we had our service life extension program where we've extended the life of the program over the 6,000 tacks and addressed any durability failure modes. So we see great time on wing of our products, actually not just in the U.S. fleet, but even in our international ally fleets as well. And then we continue to invest from a technology standpoint in the product. And I would say not just today, but even as we project into the future, when we look at some of our 6th gen technology that we're working on and some other advanced programs, we think we've got more juice to add to the engine as we look forward.
And now you've got Lot 2, RFP is out for Lot 2. So you're expecting this is a slam dunk for you guys?
Well, I'm not going to go as far as saying it's a slam dunk, but I do hope you're right from that standpoint there. But look, we're honored and privileged to get the Lot 1 contract, being that we're integrated today, and it allowed us to power the first flight there. I think we are already in the process of preparing to get ready for what the future volume holds on this platform. We have an active production line today delivering engines for some of our international allies. You know, we doubled production engines from 19 to 20. We're projecting to double the production output again from 20 to 21. And, you know, we have the ability to not just go do an analytical assessment of what we think supply chain capability is and what the constraints might be, but we're actually physically going out there and testing what we think the supply chain capacity would be as we're building engines today. And it really allows us to look at our processes and really think about how we use digital engineering to manufacture our products faster, come up with new tooling, you know, evaluate all those needs there. So we're excited about what the program looks like for the future, and we're looking forward to turning in our proposal for Lot 2 and beyond.
And just a very quickly, in a few seconds, B-52 re-engining, tell us about that.
Yes, so
seconds.
We turned in our proposals back in July. We're continuing to work with Boeing in parallel just on maturing the aircraft integration, because this program is all about schedule. There was obviously a big rapid fielding requirement there. We have 2 great engines to offer for the program, CF34 with 99.98% dispatch reliability, our most reliable engine in our portfolio, 30 million hours of service. The other side, you've got the Passport engine with the latest and greatest of commercial technologies, continuing to set world records on the Global 7500 program there. Both engines are built in the U.S. here in Durham, North Carolina, and Lafayette, Indiana. And we're just excited to go work with the Air Force and work towards source selection on that program.
Well, Sean Warren, GE Aviation, thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me.